Hello friends, welcome to Breakthrough Earners. Here you will be getting various revolutionary ideas of making money online, so stay tuned for more updates.
Do you know you can earn $100 in 5 minutes by just testing websites and apps? Yes, every time you share your thoughts and emotions about a website and app, you will be paid for that.
So before moving forward, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest updated video.
In this process, you will be making money by sharing your thoughts and ideas regarding a website or app. So the website or the company that we will be discussing here is userlytics.com. Okay, so first to register with the website, you have to go to the website. Just type userlytics.com in your browser and then click enter. Then you will reach to the web page. Now you will be presented with this web page. You can scroll down first and you can see the clients of the company. Okay, so here these are the very one of the largest companies of the world. See, they have a very good client base and they actually pay. So in order to make account with them or in order to start earning with them, you have to move to the top. Okay, at the top you will find a tester sign up button and you have to click it. After clicking it, you will be asked to sign up. So just click it, tester sign up button, and you will be presented by this page. Now when you come across to this page, you will see at the top it is written get paid to test websites and apps. Yes, but before that you have to register for the company. So just fill the form for the registration, which I will show you in a step-by-step way. Then after registration, you will be getting various websites and mobile apps for review. You just have to speak your thoughts and emotions about the whatever website or mobile apps you're getting, and after answering the questions regarding them, you will be paid every time using PayPal. Okay, the earnings can go up to $100 in just doing a questionnaire or filling a questionnaire of 5 minutes. So this is how you can get paid using this website. So they can pay you around like $5, $10, $15 or $20, and even sometimes $90 for a single project. Okay, so this is how you will be paid through this website. Okay, so obviously you should have a PayPal account. If you're not having a PayPal account, go to the paypal.com website and make your PayPal account now. Okay, so to sign up with them, see, you have to enter your email address first, and then you have to confirm that you are about 16 years of age or older, and then obviously you read their terms and conditions and agree to them if you are okay with the terms and conditions. So first I will enter my email address, that is Breakthrough Earners. Okay, after that I will confirm that I am about 16 years of age, and then I will agree to their terms and conditions and click on the sign up button. Okay, after clicking on the sign up button, I will get a confirmation mail on my registered email ID. I will also show you that. So they are sending the confirmation email now. Now when you scroll down, see, they have a notification that I will be getting some confirmation mail on my email that I have provided them. So I will go there. First I will confirm my account and then move forward with the account opening process. Meanwhile, you can check the countries where this user analytics company is available and it provides its services. Obviously, it is present in the entire world, whether it is China, Asia, whether it is Japan or any other country. They are present each and every place in the world, so you don't have to worry about your country of origin. Okay, you can just sign up with them and start making money after you register properly. Now I will go to my Google account, okay, Gmail account basically, to confirm their mail. So see, they have sent a mail to me, so I will click on the link to confirm your account, and then I will go to a web page where I have to fill the further details. So let's click on it and see the further details of the process. So after clicking on the confirm mail button, you will be presented by this page. Okay, so when you come here, you have to fill your complete details like first name, last name, your country, your date of birth. Okay, so see, it is available in all the countries. You can find your country here. If you scroll down, you will find all the countries from which you can start working on this website. Okay, so you have to click on your correct country where you are living, and then you have to fill your gender, male, female. Okay, and then after that you fill the form, and then you submit your password, and after giving the password, just click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, you will be registered completely. Then you can log into your dashboard area of the web page, okay, or the website. So just log in, and after clicking on the login, you have to fill your credentials that you have provided in the earlier steps of registration. Okay, so you have to accept the cookies first, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so again, I am after accepting the cookies, I am providing the login credentials, and then I will log into my dashboard. Okay, so after logging to my dashboard, I will see that currently there are no active test invitations, okay, that corresponds to your demographic profile. So to get the work from this website, you first have to qualify for more tests. So in order to qualify for the more tests, you have to fill a form by clicking on that qualify for more test form, and then you have to fill all your details here. So I want you to fill details very, very accurately. Okay, you have to fill all the advanced profile stuff, family stuff, okay, what is your seniority level, what are the industries you are working in, all those stuffs you have to fill in. And after filling in, you have to submit, and after some time you will be getting new review jobs every now and then. So this is about the way in which you can make money by using Userlytics only just by reviewing websites. So now if you go to their Play Store app, that is Android app, and click on it, you can clearly see that they have a very, very good rating on it. So as you can see, if it is having a very good rating, people are using it and earning money by this process. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. That's all for today.
If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends and family. Thank you.